Yes, children, I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School. Today we will start the chapter Integer. To do this chapter Integer, a strong foundation must be there. So it will take 2 or 3 videos to cover all the fundamentals of this chapter. Then we will start the exercise work. So first thing, what are integers? Integers, complete numbers with plus or minus sign along with 0 are called integers. Again, complete numbers along with plus or minus sign consisting 0 also are integers. So if I am saying minus 1.5, so is it an integer? No, this is not an integer because 1.5 is not a complete number. Minus 1, it is an integer. Minus 5, it is an integer. But minus 1.5, it is not an integer. Similarly, minus 2 upon 3, it is not an integer because this is again not complete number, it is fractional number. Minus 2, it is an integer. Minus 3, it is an integer. 5, yes, it is an integer. 5 is also integer. Positive number or negative number, but number must be complete. So this is what the integers are. Complete numbers with plus or minus sign along with 0 are integers. Now let us see how integer looks on number line. So this is number line. Here it is 0. Positive numbers will be on the right side, negative numbers will be on the left side. 1, 2, take equal distance, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 4, 5, now farther you will go to the left, the smaller will be the value, and farther you will go to the right, the greater will be the value from 0. Farther from 0 to the left will give you smaller value. Farther to the right from 0 will give you the greater value. So minus 4 is more farther than minus 3. So minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. So minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. Minus 4 is also smaller than minus 2. Minus 4 is also smaller than minus 1. Minus 4 smaller than 0. Minus 4 smaller than 1/2. So minus 4 is smaller than all these values because it is on the left side. So among all the negative integers, minus 1 is the greater one. Among all the negative integers, minus 1 is the greatest one. number line you can make horizontal also and you can make vertical also. You can make like this also. Here it is 0. Above the 0, positive numbers 2, 3. Below the 0, negative numbers -1, -2, -3. So you can make horizontal number line or you can make vertical number line. It is up to you. Now few things to be understand. Which one is greater among 500 and -700? Which one is greater? -500. -500 is greater and 700 will be smaller. Because when we will make the number line, here it will be minus, here it will be 0, then -500, then -1000, and here somewhere here will be -700. So -700 farther than 0, then -500. So -700 is the smaller one, -500 is the greater one. You can remember like this also, the number greater in negative, the number greater in negative is actually the smaller one. Number greater in minus is actually the smaller one. Which one is greater? -5 or -3? Which one is greater? The number in minus, the bigger number in minus is actually the smaller one. So greater is -3. Greater is -3. So few things we must understand. That is between 5 and 7. Which one is greater? Naturally 7 is greater because these are positive values. In positive value we will compare as we have done in the lower classes. But in negative values, the number greater in negative is actually the smaller one. This thing to be understand. Little bit more practice we will do on the number line. Like here is a question, express using integer. Question is express on the number line. Express on the number line. 15 degree Celsius, 15 degree Celsius above 0. So how we will express on the number line? We will make the number line. Here it is 0. And it is not necessary that you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the time. You can start with 0. Equal distance, this is 5, this is 10, this is 50. And take one value on the negative side also. So 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius. So above 0, 15 degrees Celsius means on the positive side. So this is my representation on the number line. Similarly, 20 degrees Celsius below 0. So again I will make the number line. Here it is in the middle, I am taking 0. With equal distance, I am taking here minus 10, minus 20, plus 10, take one value to the right side also so that number line makes some sense. And 20 degree below 0 means minus 20. So this will be my representation, minus 20 degree Celsius on the number line. Similarly, a profit of rupees 500, how we will represent on the number line? A profit of rupees 500. So this time let us make the number line like this. It is not necessary that every time you need to make the line horizontal. You can make vertical also. So here I am taking 0. Then below 0, that is minus 100. And above 0 I am taking 100, 200, 300, 400, and then 500. So profit of rupees 500 means that plus 500. So this is my representation, profit of rupees 500 on the number line. Similarly, few statements are given for the mental exercise. First statement is smallest integer is 0. True or false? For mental exercise, smallest integer is 0. What do you think? This statement is true or false? False. Why? Because smallest integer is not 0. Here minus 1, that is smaller than 0. Minus 2, that is smaller than minus 1. So smallest number will be on this side, greatest number will be on this side. So we don't know the smallest integer. We don't know the smallest integer. Minus 500, minus 1000, minus 1 lakh, that will be smaller than minus 1000, minus 2 lakh, minus 1 crore. So we don't know the smallest integer. Similarly, we don't know the greatest integer also. Remember this thing. So if the statement comes smallest integer is 0, so that is wrong. Similarly, the statement is the negative integer minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Second statement is minus 1 is greater than minus 2. What do you think? That this statement is true or false? True. Why it is true? Because the number greater in minus is actually the smaller one. So greater is this, smaller is this. So it is written Very correct. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Third statement is all negative integers are smaller than 0. All negative integers are smaller than 0. So this statement is true or false? All negative integers are smaller than 0. True. This statement is true. So what we are doing? Little bit mental practice for the understanding of integers. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 12. Fourth statement is minus 8 is to the right of minus 12. So this statement is true. So if you draw the number line, here it will be 0, then minus 4, then minus 8, then minus 12. So minus 8 is on the right side of minus 12. So true. Now few questions for the practice of understanding, like put the sign minus 3 box 2 first, second, 0 box 5, minus 3 box 3, minus 6 box 0. Put the sign greater than or smaller than. So which sign will come here? Minus 3 is greater or 2 is greater? Naturally 2 is greater, so we will put the sign like this. 0 is greater or 5 is greater? Again 5 is greater. So minus 3 is greater or 3 is greater? Again 3 is greater. Minus 6 is greater or 0 is greater? Again 0 is greater. Next is write 5 integers greater than minus 15. Write 5 integers greater than minus 15. So 5 integers will be solution. 5 integers will be minus 14, minus 12, 0, 5, 50. So any 5 integers you can write here, but they should be greater than minus 15. So naturally, whatever the integers will be on the right side of minus 15, they all are greater than minus 15. Write 5 integers smaller than minus 15. So integers on the left side of minus 15 will be smaller than minus 15. So write any five integers. Five integers are -70, -20, -100, -200, -250. These all are smaller than -15. Next, one more question that is for mental exercise. Places are given and temperature is given, and we need to represent this temperature on the number line. Places are Delhi, Shimla, Srinagar, Shimla, Srinagar, Darjeeling, Chennai. And the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius above 0 degree, 23 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Second is 2 degree below, 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. 7 degree Celsius, 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, 3 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius, and 32 degrees Celsius above, 32 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. So how we will represent this temperature on the number line? So we can make one number line like this. We have made the number line. So we can take 0 in the middle, 0, then 5, -5 degrees Celsius, -10 degrees Celsius, and on the right side 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. 30 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius. So first is 23 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. So 23 will lie between 20 and 5, somewhere in the middle. This is 23 degree Celsius. This is of Delhi. Then 2 degree below. So 2 degree will lie between 0 and 5, somewhere nearer to 0. This is -2 degree Celsius, and it is Shimla. Similarly, represent this by your own for the practice. This is how we do the questions on the number line. Next, that is related to operation on integers. Operation on integers. That we will do in the next video, operation on integers, because it will take time, 2 or 3 videos to cover all the fundamentals. Thank you.